Hello everyone and welcome back to Know-How. In today's video, we are going to learn the if function in Excel, one of the most useful and commonly used function. By the end of this video, you will understand how the if function works and how you can use it in your own worksheet. So let's get started. Here I have a simple table containing the names of students and their marks. Our goal is to automatically determine whether each student has passed or failed. The condition is very simple. If a student has scored 50 or more marks, the result should be pass, and if the marks are less than 50, the result should be fail. Instead of typing pass or fail manually for every student, we will let Excel do the work for us using the if function. Now here in this cell, I'll write equal, open parenthesis. Excel now expects three things from us. The first is the condition we want to test. Our condition is B2 is greater than 50. This tells Excel to check whether the marks in the cell B2 are greater than or equal to 50. After typing the condition, add a comma. Next, tell Excel what to display if the condition is true. I will type pass in inverted commas. Add another comma. Finally, tell Excel to display if the condition is false. Here I will type fail in inverted commas. I'll close the parenthesis. This is the complete formula. Now I will press enter. Excel immediately returns the result for the first student. To calculate the result for the remaining student, simply drag and fill handle down to copy the formula to all the cells. As you can see, every student who scored 50 or more marks has been marked as pass, while those scored less than 50 have been marked as fail. One great advantage of using the if function is that the results update automatically. For example, if I change the student marks from 42 to 65, Excel instantly changes the results from fail to pass without needing to enter the formula again. This makes the if function extremely useful whether you need to make decisions based on data. That's how you can use the if function in Excel to perform simple logical tests. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the if function in the easiest possible way. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Know-How channel and press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming Excel tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.